everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday, and I wanted to say hi to everyone. How's it going? I put a little bit of effort into myself today, and I came out of the bathroom after I did my makeup, and Nate was like, wow, you look like a rock star. I was like, I'm wearing this like super shocking pink eyeshadow all around. And I just feel like super rocker chick today. So I am going with that look. But anyway, I want to talk some yarn with everybody this past weekend. Let's see here, today is Wednesday, and we did Saturday and Sunday this past weekend. We had the Good Intentions event. That was so much fun. Thank you to everybody who joined in on the Facebook event. If you want to be part of our Facebook event, join my group, YARNutopia World, on Facebook, and every month we host events, and this coming month we have another event coming up, and pretty soon I'll be having a contest coming up, which I'm super excited about. So we have some unique contests on the horizon, and we have some really fun games and really fun events coming up to crochet together. Now, we're not in my events in the previous months. We had these events also where it's just a topic and you can crochet whatever you want. So you don't have to crochet the exact same thing as me, but I do try to share a crochet pattern in the event of my own new design. And this month I didn't release the pattern yet. I will be soon, but I got very far on this shawl that I was working on all weekend. I mean, this is huge. So far I got this far. And it's just like a really nice shell stitch design, but look at how pretty. That bright color is just so summery, and this is extremely lightweight. This yarn is the Leon Alexander yarns. Here is their business card with, this is called Diva, but the yarn I used in this project is called Sunday Morning, and that's the colorway. They have really cool bright colorways. Look at this one, matches my makeup. Ooh. So this Leon Alexander yarns has these fancy colorways going, and they have different weights of yarn. This one is a double knitting weight, which I can't wait to make something summery out of this. But they also have like sock weight, which is this weight. And this is just so lightweight, especially for summer. It's going to be so nice to wear this, especially in Wisconsin in the evenings. It gets really like kind of chilly. And so I'm going to sit by the fireside and wear this fiery shawl. So I'm excited to finish this and get the tutorial out to you soon. And my dad and I are going to be filming again very soon. We're just taking it easy with the whole social distancing. We're trying to stay as safe as we can. Obviously washing our hands, not touching anything, and not spreading any germs. So we are going to film soon. But yeah, I wanted to share with you that our Good Intentions event went so well, and I got super far on my crochet project, and I want to thank everybody who joined. And in the event, we played a game called the Macro Image Game, and it was so much fun that I decided to put those macro photos into a blog, and I shared that yesterday. Let me know if you checked that out. I'll put the link in the description of this video, so if you didn't check it out, go see it, see how many you can get, and let me know if you got any wrong. It was pretty easy for some. I know I stumped everybody on like 2 or 3 really difficult ones. So make sure to check out the Macro Image Game. That was so fun to play. And see if I stumped you. But for that Leon Alexander yarns, I wanted to let you all know that if you shop leonalexanderyarns.com, see their website and their Instagram is there, and their email's there too. But if you go to leonalexanderyarns.com, and if you purchase anything, use the discount code YARNutopia, and you will get a fat discount on your purchase. So thanks to them for providing that discount for everybody who watches YARNutopia. They are the best over there. Also, I wanted to tell you guys that this Friday is Free Pattern Friday. I'm so excited to share this one with you. We have, this month is going to be an amigurumi crochet pattern. So if you know how to single crochet, you will get this free crochet pattern for 24 hours once I post it. So make sure you join my newsletter, or make sure you like my my page on Facebook, YARNutopia by Nadia Fuad. The page on Facebook will have all the information as well as the newsletter. So I'll put the link to sign up for the newsletter in the description of this video so you can get that before Friday, because on Friday morning I will be blasting out the free pattern to everybody where you can download it, and it's only available for 24 hours. So you'll get the PDF to save into your device, and you can print it off and keep it forever. So that's exciting, and there's a video tutorial for this one as well, so that's awesome. So make sure to sign up for the newsletter before Friday, because Friday morning, like, it's super early in the morning when I release it too, so make sure to do that. And then let's see, what else. Oh, really cool thing that Nikki's Homemade Crafts, my friend Nikki, she is re-releasing her Changing with Colors workshop and course. I know a few months ago I shared that she had this workshop and course going on her website. I'll share the link so you can check it out, see if it's something for you. Changing colors and crochet, there's so many different techniques, as well as like weaving in ends and how learning. And if you are a beginner, I highly recommend, if you are a beginner crocheter, and even if you are an experienced crocheter, I even learned some things that she taught that I didn't even, it was just like super simple tips and tricks that I was just like, oh yeah, I should have known that, but I didn't, and I learned so much from her. So make sure to join, sign up for her workshop. It's free, and then the course is after, so you can decide after the workshop if you want to continue on to the course. You could decide at a later time, but that workshop is going on now. So I'll put the links in the description of this video so you can get all the information you need right in one hot spot. And that's Nikki's Homemade Crafts, her course and her workshop on changing colors in crochet. Super awesome workshop. So that is all the things yarn related that we have going on. Nasser is going to be 1 year old in less than 3 weeks. I cannot believe this. I got him, don't tell him, but for his birthday, I got him a cute little car, kind of like when we were little kids, and it was like the red car with the yellow top, a little Tykes type of car. You like Flintstones run under it like that. Yeah, I'm so excited because now he's walking, and if you follow me on Snapchat, you see all my snaps of him just excelling. He is basically running now. He learned how to walk a few weeks ago. He was taking like 1 or 2 steps and then like flopping down. Now this past Thursday, he took 6 steps, and I got that on my Snapchat on that time. And then on Friday, he stood up on his own without any, like, grabbing onto anything and pulling himself up. He just stood up without touching anything, which was super fascinating. I got that on video. And then now he's taking like 20 steps before plopping down. Like, and like sometimes he tries to like run, and it's so funny seeing him like try to balance. He's so funny. So I will get him in here. He was in the Good Intentions event. If you join my events on Facebook on YARNutopia World, you'll see Nasser in some of those videos, but also add me on Snapchat because I snap him, and he's in the pool all the time, and he's loving the summer here, the nice weather. The sunshine is so beautiful. So we've been getting out every day, and actually Nate is getting him ready right now. We're gonna go take a walk together, so I'm really excited to just spend time with the fam. But before I go, I wanted to tell you, a few years ago, actually, my parents bought me a spinning wheel. Like, I think it's vintage, it's older. I don't have it here, it's in my basement right now, but it is like a manual spinning wheel where you like tap your foot on it and it spins. Yeah, all the Rapunzel kind of thing. What is that? Rumpelstiltskin, not Rapunzel. Close. Rumpelstiltskin. But anyway, I got some roving wool online, just practice skeins or practice roving, so it's just a little tiny amount, like this much, and I'm gonna practice with making some yarn out of this roving, and I'm super excited about it. So I know there are things called drop spindles as well, that I could do by hand, but I'm gonna try using my spinning wheel and spin some of this roving. So these colors I got on Etsy, you can see these cute little sample types of roving, just to practice and see if I get good at it, and if I do, then I can spin my own wool. How exciting. So I got that on Etsy. I just wanted to share that exciting stuff with you. But that's really all I have to say today. I hope you all have a great rest of your week, and stay tuned because I'll be announcing the June events very soon, and the newsletter will go out on Friday for Free Pattern Friday, and I'm checking my notes to make sure I have everything said here. Yep. Yeah, shop Leon Alexander Yarns, and go check out Nikki's Homemade Crafts workshop and course, and play my macro image game. It's so funny. It's so fun. And yeah, Free Pattern Friday this Friday. I'm so excited. All right, have a great rest of your day. I'll see you next week, Wednesday. Happy hooking.